As a Jamaican, there's some unspoken rules that every yardie should know. So let me explain. When a Jamaican say "masu forward" or "masu call you back," they mean the complete opposite. If you are on a phone call with a Jamaican and they say they're gonna call you back, they are ending the call and you probably won't hear from them until another 2 weeks. If they say that them "su forward," it means that they're absolutely nowhere and you should not expect them anytime soon. Number 2, if you are at a Jamaican's house and it's getting late, if they say that they have work the next morning or they're sleepy or it's time for them to go to bed, it means that you should leave. They are telling you in a very polite way that it's time for you to exit their house because they're ready to go to bed. Number 3, once you come off the road and you bathe, there's no going back outside. The night is done and it's time for bed. Number 4, if you go into a room, you have to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, or you have no manners. I'm telling you, this is something that we take so seriously. And number 5, don't you ever come from outside in your outside clothes and sit on someone's couch or on their bed. You will be destroyed. I'm telling you, Jamaicans don't play like that. But if you are Jamaican or you're related to a Jamaican or you know a Jamaican, what are some rules that they have set that you just automatically obey? Let me know in the comments because I'm dying to know. And that's all from me, y'all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.